Hi there, welcome to Mastering Object-Oriented Design in Java. My name is Imtiaz Ahmad from ElasticEngineers.com, and I'll be your instructor in this course. In this course, you'll learn about improving software design by properly applying object orientation. And along the way, you'll discover best practices used in the industry that most professional software developers should have under their belt. You see, it's not enough to just understand a programming language. That's just a means to an end, a tool that can be used to develop various programs. The real craftsmanship is in software design. And today, object-oriented design has been widely adopted by businesses around the world. Not only is it a standard for building enterprise-level applications, it's also being used in countless open-source software projects, such as Hadoop, Elasticsearch, Android, and several other popular technologies. Now, when done properly, object orientation is a joy to work with, but when done poorly, the results can be quite detrimental for the future of the application. Newcomers often struggle with object orientation. As programmers, they may have understood the syntax of a particular language and may have even put together code to write working applications, but they have little to no design experience. And as a result, their applications become rigid and difficult to reuse and extend over time. So if you're a junior level programmer that has some familiarity with the Java language, but want to take your programming skills to the next level, this course is for you. And this will allow you to make an important transition in your career from being just a programmer to becoming an object-oriented software designer and architect, a well-grounded software engineer. Now, you can find plenty of resources online for practicing an algorithm or practicing programming problems, but when it comes to object-oriented design, admittedly there is limited material out there for you to practice. So in this course, we're going to be using a learn by doing approach in order to discover the 5 core object-oriented design principles that are summarized by this acronym called SOLID. And my goal is to help you intuitively understand each of these design principles through practice and repetition. The format that I use for teaching that has worked time and time again is that I first present to you an object-oriented programming problem. And then we code up the solution to that together, step by step. And then finally, we improve upon that to better comply with the specific design principle. So like I said, this is going to be a very hands-on approach to learning the concepts. You'll have homework assignments to which I've provided detailed solutions. And during this journey, you'll also learn the most important object-oriented design patterns that competent developers should have in their toolbox. The topics in this course can be applied to pretty much any object-oriented language, but we'll be using Java, so I expect you to be familiar with at least the basic language constructs, such as classes, methods, and interfaces. But if you're a little shaky on these concepts, don't worry. Like I said, we'll be moving step by step, and you should be just fine, especially after practicing the homework assignments. I'm really excited about offering this course to you, and I'm certain that by practicing the concepts covered, you'll make a substantial leap forward in your programming career. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the coming lessons.